Understanding Blisters, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a common word that often pops up in everyday conversation: blisters. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. A blister is a small bubble on the skin filled with serum, a clear fluid. They are typically caused by friction, burns, or other forms of skin damage. Blisters can be painful or uncomfortable, and they're a way for the body to protect and heal a damaged area. There are a few different types of blisters. Friction blisters. These occur due to rubbing or pressure, often on the feet from tight shoes. Heat blisters, caused by burns from hot surfaces or sunburns. Blood blisters. These are filled with blood instead of serum and happen when a small blood vessel is damaged. Cold blisters, also known as frostbite blisters. They appear after the skin is damaged by extreme cold. Now, let's see how to use blisters in a sentence. I got blisters on my feet after walking all day in new shoes. Be careful with that hot pan, you don't want to get a heat blister. He developed a blister on his finger where the pen was rubbing. In these examples, blisters is used to describe a physical condition resulting from various causes. Blistering pace. This expression means moving very quickly. For example, the athlete ran at a blistering pace. Burst one's bubble. While not directly related to blisters, this idiom means to disappoint someone by revealing something unpleasant or unexpected. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and use of blisters. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using blisters in your conversations when relevant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.